Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo S2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So at first you will need to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn it on, press and hold the side button, and to wake up the screen, press the side button. Once you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, select the reset option, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a second or two, your watch should be restored to the factory default settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.